RENPHO Smart Scale review coming your way. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the RENPHO Smart Body Fat Scale. They did send me this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or finding out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Here's how it comes packaged to you in a really simple retail box. Supports up to 400 pounds of weight, made out of tempered glass. Has an LED screen. This connects to your smart device, tablet, phone, whatever, via Bluetooth. And it works with Samsung, Apple, Google, all those health apps. And you can sync it with your Fitbit app as well. Now let's go ahead, let's look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have a nice user guide instruction manual for you with instructions on how to set it up and connect to the app with safe screen grabs walking you through step by step. 2 AAA batteries to power the scale. And then last but not least, the scale itself looks really nice. We can see their branding. I like the black. Not sure if the camera will pick it up or not, but you can see the LED screen right there. Let's flip it over as well. There's the back. It's got 4 nice feet in the spot for us to go ahead and install the batteries. So let's do that right now. So to install the 2 included AAA batteries, go ahead, remove the battery cover just like that, and then line the batteries up according to the diagram with your plus and minus ends in the proper place. Then we can go ahead, put the cover back on. Now we're ready to download the app. So on your iOS or Android device, download the RENPHO app on your phone and let's get this set up. So now with the app downloaded, you'll be at this screen on your device where you need to either sign in or log in. Let's go ahead, let's sign up for an account. Once you enter your username and password, you'll be at this screen where you need to agree to their terms. Now we can register, we can choose our gender, upload a photo, add our name, birthday, height, and if we want to choose athlete mode. So go ahead, enter your information, then hit confirm. So once you have all that information entered, you'll be at this screen where we're ready now to step on the scale so it can give us a readout of our body composition. So let's go ahead now and weigh ourselves. So you can see we just took my weight at 153.2 pounds. The scale operated just fine. I just stepped on it, took a second, synced up with the app, and we're all good to go. So you can see my weight dead in center on the screen. The first option we can see within the app to change or just a setting to go over is the plus button in the top right hand corner. So we can go ahead, we can hit that, we can do manual input, we can manage all of our devices if we're connected to multiple scales, that sort of thing, or we can share this data if we want. Then the next thing we can click on is weight goal right there. So we can set a goal weight if we want, hit confirm and you're all good to go. We can see the date and the time and my weight. And then we have a nice little graph right here showing us underweight, normal, overweight, and obesity for us. Color coded as well, so really easy to navigate all this. Same with the BMI. My BMI is 22.7 as of today, and that's showing up in the green normal range. Then we have overweight, obesity, and underweight again. Then we can see at the bottom, so we're in the measurements tab. We have a trends, a my account, and discover. So let's go ahead, let's look at trends. Since we just weighed ourselves today for the first time, we don't have any trends right now, but this will graph your weight for you throughout the weeks, months, and years right here. So that is really cool. And then we can also view the BMI in the same chart layout as well. And so then we have that little clock icon too, and that will take us to the ability to be able to scroll by date so we can find it for a specific date in the calendar if we want to do that. Next up, we have my account, so we can view our account information right here, frequently asked questions, help. We can add a member if we want, so that's really cool. We could share this with our friends. And then we have settings right here, so we have a ton of different settings for the scale. Again, we talked about a lot of these already. They also have instructions if you want to sync this up with Google Fit, Fitbit, Samsung Health, that sort of thing. It's all done within the app. So you can see video tutorials, languages about, delete your account, or log out. Now let's go ahead, let's show you how it syncs up with Apple Health. All right, guys, so as soon as I logged into the RENPHO app on this iPhone right here, I got this notification from my account. So let's go ahead, let's turn on all categories, hit allow, and now we're good to go. You can even see we can connect to Fitbit if we wanted right here. So we're going to go ahead and skip that for now. And now everything is going to be synced up with that app. So let's go into it and see what it's like. So you can see the health app on our iPhone right there. Let's open it up. And sure enough, there's our body measurements that we took today, body mass index, our weight, and our height. So it all works and syncs right within the Apple Health app as well. We can go to health data and view the body measurements again. Overall, guys, setup was super simple and easy, as you could see in this video. If I can do it, you can do it as well. Couple more final thoughts for you guys. I wear a size men's 11.5, and my feet were too big for the scale to stand comfortably on it and to get them in a nice position. Also want to point out, I've reviewed other smart scales online that have way more features, showing you your body fat percentage, your water percentage, your muscle mass, your metabolic age, and a lot of other cool health indicators you're going to want to track. And they actually make a couple more scales as well for only a couple dollars more that will give you all those great features and data to track your health throughout the coming weeks, months, and years. So I'd highly recommend checking this scale out, but also checking out a couple of the other versions as well that they sell that have more features. Make sure you get the smart scale that has all the data that you're going to want to capture. If you just want weight and BMI and you have small feet and just want a nice, small, portable scale, be sure to check this one out. But if you want some more of those key health indicators, you're going to want to check out their other smarter scales online too. And again, they're only a couple dollars more, and I think it's totally worth getting all those features. If you're interested in this product or the other ones, I'll link to them in the video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and don't want you guys to miss anything. Give us a follow on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Follow us on Twitch and join our Discord. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.